Very good evening, guys. I hope you and your family is doing well. So let's start with the solution, guys. It is cyclic test 2 chemistry model paper. We'll begin with question 1A. The question is name the following. So first of all, guys, make sure in the answer you can write only name. You cannot write symbol, you cannot write formula. If you've written symbol or formula, then you don't deserve marks. Fine. So we'll start with the first one. Atom having the smallest atomic size in the periodic table, the answer is helium. If you have written helium, 1 mark. If you have written He, 0 marks. Atom having largest atomic size in period 2, the answer is lithium. If you have written lithium, 1 mark. If you have written Li, 0 marks. Amount of energy released when an atom in the gaseous state accepts electron from an anion to form an anion, the answer should be electron affinity. Pair of electrons not shared with any other atom, the answer is lone pair. Metalloid in period 3, answer is silicon. If you have written silicon, then you deserve 1 mark. If you have written Si, 0 marks. So guys, the way in the solution the answers are given, you have to write exactly the same. There is no alternate possible to it. Fine. So if you have written that, then you deserve full marks. Moving further to question 1B, you have to write the correct option along with the correct option number. For example, which of the following trends holds through the periodic table? The answer is option B, atomic radius increases as we move from top to bottom in a group. That is the correct answer. So you have to write correct option number and the entire statement. Fine. If you have written that way, you deserve 1 mark. An element in the period 3 having the highest ionization potential. Obviously, the answer is option A, argon. You have to write correct option along with the name. Identify the compound showing all 3 bonds, ionic, covalent and coordinate. The answer is option A, NH4Cl. Moving further, identify the compound having non-polar covalent bond. Answer is option D, CCl4. Question 5. A compound X consists of only molecules, hence X will have. Answer is option B, low melting point. You have to write correct option number along with the statement. If you have written in that way, you deserve full marks. Now we'll move to question C. 1C. Match the following. In case of match the following, you have to write column A and column B both. But in column B, you will have to write correct option with the answer. You cannot write the alternate option. I mean, instead of writing A, B, C, D, E, you will have to write the correct options. Like for example, an element belonging to period 4. The answer is going to be E20. Electropositive element. The answer is A4. Non-metal of valency 1. B17. Belonging to group 14. Answer is C6. Element having stable atom. Answer is D10. Okay, so you have to write correct option number along with the answer. Now we'll move to section B. Define following. Make sure definition should be the way it is given in the textbook. It should be properly written in the correct word. Okay. Here we start. Electron affinity. The answer is the amount of energy released when an atom in the gaseous state accepts an electron to form an anion. So make sure यहाँ पे 3 word बहुत important है. Energy released, gaseous state and to form an anion. Accepts electron to form an anion. So this is very important. In short, it is a definition. Make sure you have written the way it is given in the textbook. The next question is covalent bond. In case of covalent bond, the answer here is given in third. Chemical bond formed due to mutual sharing of electrons between given pair of non-metallic elements. That's the answer for question number 2, guys. So while checking your answer paper, just be careful. Question 3 atomic radius, the answer is going to be the distance between the center of a nucleus of an atom and its outermost shell. That is the answer for question number 3. यहाँ पे थोड़ा ध्यान देना guys. Question 3 का answer is given in question 2 and question 2 का answer is given in question 3. Alright? Okay. Moving further, arrange the following as per given instruction. While arranging, make sure you can write using comma the way it is given in the solution, or else you can write a sign like increasing or decreasing order. Okay, so here the answer is going to be increasing order of atomic size. The answer is H, Li, Cl, Mg, K. The next question, that is increasing order of ionization potential. The answer is going to be Cs, Na, B, I, He. If you have written in the comma form or if you have written in the sign form, that is increasing sign, increasing order wala sign, then also you deserve 1 mark. Alright. Next. Electrovalent compound and covalent compound. Make sure in that case there are 2 options given, volatility and solubility. Volatility and solubility. First, while writing the answer, you have to mention the head point volatility and solubility. In case of electrovalent compound, the answer you will write in a sentence form that they are non-volatile. Covalent compound, they are volatile. याद रखना, अगर दोनों पॉइंट करेक्ट है, वोलेटाइल एंड नॉन वोलेटाइल, मतलब दोनों का आंसर करेक्ट है तो ही 1 मार्क्स मिलता है, नहीं तो 0 मिलेगा. इफ यू हैव रिटन करेक्ट आंसर फॉर इलेक्ट्रोवालेंट बट रॉन्ग फॉर कोवालेंट, यू विल गेट 0 मार्क्स. Moving further, solubility, you have to write they are soluble in water but insoluble in organic solvent in case of electrovalent compound, and in case of covalent compound you will write they are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvent. If both the part is correct, then only you deserve 1 mark. तो अगर दोनों point correct है in both the part, then you deserve 2 marks. 1 mark for 1 point. Okay, question 3b, give reason. Metals are electropositive. The answer is metals have 1, 2 or 3 electrons in the valence shell, hence they have tendency to donate electron to attain electronic configuration of the nearest noble gas, that is to complete duplet or octet. Hence metals are electropositive. If in this particular answer guys, 2 points are very important. First, they have 1, 2 or 3 electrons, and second point that they attain the configuration of nearest noble gas. ये दोनों point अगर लिखा है तो you deserve 1 mark. Covalent compounds undergo slow speed molecular reaction. The answer is going to be covalent compounds undergo slow speed molecular reaction because covalent molecules are first broken and then new bonds are slowly established. So एक चीज़ याद रखना that while writing this answer, 2 points are very important. First broken and new bonds are formed. Fine. If you have written these 2 points, then you deserve 1 mark. In case of sodium chloride cannot conduct electricity only in fused or aqueous state. The answer should be here guys, rather it can conduct electricity in fused state. So make sure while writing this particular question, you have to mention only one important point, that sodium chloride undergoes separation of ions, because only in molten, fused or aqueous state. If this point is written, I repeat, in electrolysis, sodium chloride undergoes separation of ions only in molten or fused or aqueous solution. Hence, electric current is passed through only fused or molten state. ये point लिखा है, अगर separation of ions takes place only in molten or aqueous form, तो answer correct है, then you deserve 1 mark. Okay, let's start question 4a. आयनिक इक्वेशन गाइस जैसे सोल्यूशन पेपर में दिया है ठीक वैसे का वैसा अगर आपने सोल्यूशन लिखा है along with the correct electronic configuration below every atom and below every ion with the correct electronic configuration and the labeling of cation and anion. If all the minute detail is mentioned, then and only then you deserve 1 mark, otherwise straight away 0 marks. Same with respect to electron dot structure guys. In this case also we need to mention the electronic configuration below every particular atom, plus you have to show the arrow indicating the marking. You have to show that arrow as well. अगर ये arrow नहीं draw किया है मतलब passing of electron or a transfer of electron वाला arrow is not drawn, then also marks can be deducted. Plus you have to mention the charges, that is Ca2 plus and Cl minus. Below that you have to mention the word ion and their electronic configuration as well. So the way it is given in the solution, all minute details are mandatory while writing this particular diagram. If you have written all the details, then you deserve 1 mark or else 0 marks. Here we go with question number 4b. First one is ammonium ion. In this case also guys, as we can see on the screen, we have to write proper marking of ammonia molecule, plus you have to write H plus, that is hydrogen ion. After the combination happened, we need to mention the electron dot diagram of NH4 plus. Once that is done, we have to also show the Lewis structure, that is a line structure which is given on the screen. In this case also make sure that you have to mention that arrow sign which we can see in this particular diagram, that arrow sign N से H की तरफ जो arrow दिया है that is called as dative bond, that is mandatory, and finally you have to write NH4 plus. So once again guys, जैसे solution में दिया है exactly in the same way you are supposed to draw in exam also. If you have drawn exactly in the same way, then you deserve 1 mark for this, or else straight away 0. Okay, here we have the next, that is carbon tetrachloride. Again, what all points are very important in this diagram, that is the box which has been shown with a red color and a black color marking in the first part, which indicates the sharing of electron, that is mandatory. After that you have to show the diagram without plus, then you have to write Lewis structure, that is line structure, and then finally you will write CCl4. So once again, all minute details shown in the diagram has to be shown in the answer paper also, then only you deserve 1 mark. Last diagram is hydronium ion. Once again, the way it is given in the solution, exact वैसा ही होना चाहिए. First point, all the labelings are mandatory. Second point, you have to mention the lone pair without fail. If you have not labeled lone pair, then marks can be deducted. So जैसा डायग्राम में फिलहाल दिया है वैसे का वैसा अगर आपने ड्रॉ किया है, then only you deserve 1 mark. If any small minute detail is missing, then you will straight away get 0 marks. Okay, now we'll move to the next point. They have asked, draw electron dot structure of the following. Guys, in all the electron dot structure, what we can see on the screen also, जैसा डायग्राम दिया है वैसे का वैसा हमें ड्रॉ करना है, हम इसमें कोई भी मिस्टेक नहीं कर सकते. All the labelings, all the minute details are mandatory for the diagram. If anything is missing, then you will straight away get 0 marks. Fine. We'll move to the next part. Same applies for question 5b. This is ionic equation. Again in the same way, you can see all the details are mentioned there. The same details to be mentioned in the diagram as well. Minute correction in this guys. In case of ionic equation, second part, that is Cl, there you have to write 2 Cl plus 2 electrons giving you 2 Cl minus. Once again I repeat, there is a correction in this. You have to write here. Two Cl plus 2 electron, that gives you 2 Cl minus. This is the correct answer. You have to mention in this way. Fine. So we'll move further now. In case of electron dot diagram also, the way it is shown, all the minute detail is mandatory. You have to write their electronic configuration also. You have to mention all the labelings plus cation anion. Then you deserve full 1 mark for this as well. So here we go, guys. This paper was full of diagram and it was full of diagram. So make sure in this particular case you have drawn the correct diagram, then you completely deserve full 1 mark. I mean completely deserve marks. So make sure in case of diagram you cannot make any changes as per your wins and fences. It has to be the way it is given in the text. Bye guys, stay home, stay safe, take care.